it's not that it shapes your day to day as you move on, and I'm sure the people in Joplin have moved on. They have adjusted. Some have left. You lost people in that town after Joplin, after the tornado. Some have moved in. So I mean, you have a new normal. But those that were directly affected by it, people who were in bathtubs and took a little ride in the sky. You don't forget that. You don't remember, you don't focus on it, hopefully, every day. But I got to tell you, how do you feel when you listen to a weather report and they says tornadoes are coming? What goes through your mind? What's that? There is this wonderment. Are we going to go through this again? What should I do? And some feedback or flashback of what you've been through. You can't avoid that.